Hello boys, I just want to take you through three different ways of doing long division now that you've learnt the long division way, and our example is going to be x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. We'll divide that by x plus 2. I'd like you to maybe pause the video and just set up this long division as you can see there, and then when you're ready, listen as I take you through the steps. Okay, the steps for long division first. We're going to use the algorithm. The algorithm is divide, multiply, subtract, add it down. So to get started, divide x into x cubed, and we need x squared. Now we multiply x cubed and 2x squared. Now we subtract. X cubes always go away. Minus 4, take away 2 is negative 6x squared, and now we add the next one down. Back to the start to divide. Divide x into negative 6x squared will be negative 6x. Now we multiply. Negative 6x squared, negative 12x. We subtract, always use a bracket. X squareds go away. X take away, negative 12 means we add it on, 13x. Lastly, we add down. Now we divide again, we're back to the start. X into 13x is 13. Multiply, 13x. Multiply, 26. Subtract. X's go away, 6 take away, 26 is negative 20. We've now got our answer. X cubed, take 4x squared, plus x plus 6 equals x plus 2, this one, times x squared minus 6x plus 13, the quotient, minus 20 remainder. That's technique 1. You might like to pause the video and take that down, make sure you understand it. Restarting the video, we're now going to do by inspection. This is how I set up a by inspection. I put the dividend there, I put the divisor there 3 times, assuming I'm going to have 3 brackets. I'm going to do it with a different colour so you can see how it works. By inspection, we first ask ourselves the question, what do I need to multiply this x by to get x cubed? And the answer is x squared. It's the same question as I put up there to get x squared. Same thing. Now I'm going to multiply that out. X squared by x is x cubed. X squared by 2 is and 2x squared. Exactly like I multiplied out there. Now, I've now got plus 2x squared, but I actually want to end up with minus 4x squared. So I'm going to need to lose 6x squared. I'm going to put minus 6x in front of the next brackets. When I multiply that, I'll get the minus 6x squared. Minus 6x by 2 is minus 12x. Notice that x cubed and x cubed is equal. 2x squared minus 6x squared is minus 4. That's worked. I've now got minus 12x, but I needed a plus x. So I've got to go up 13. Plus 13, multiply that, plus 13x. 13 twos are plus 26. We've finished. We now know that the bracket will be x squared takes 6x plus 13, same as that. But 26 is not equal to 20. It is not equal to this 6 here. They're not equal. So we need a minus 20 remainder to make that work. Minus 20, and it will take us down to 6. The x cubes add up, the x squareds add up, the x's add up. That's plus 13x. The x's add up, the numbers add up. Our answer for x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6 divided by x plus 2 is going to be, you can read it in the red there, x squared takes 6x plus 13 minus 20, which is the remainder. It's the same. That's how you do it by inspection. If you don't want to do it by long division. I think long division is easier or better than inspection myself, but you can do by inspection. Just take down some notes, pause the video, make sure you get all that taken down. Start the video again now, and I'd like to do by synthetic. Synthetic is a algorithm method, and the algorithm to remember is multiply, subtract. Multiply, subtract. What we're putting here in our synthetic table is just the coefficients. I'll write that down. Just the coefficients. We're just working with the coefficients. The coefficients of the divisor are 1, minus 4, 1 and 6. 1, minus 4, 1 and 6. Okay, along here we have the coefficients of the dividend. Of the dividend. And over here we have the divisor. Really, you just need to write down the 2 there. Here's the method. We bring down the first one, the 1, what's in front of the x cubed. And now we take our 2. We multiply first. 2 1s are 2. Then we subtract. Minus 4 minus 2 is negative 6. Then we multiply. 2 minus 6, minus 12. Then we subtract. 1 minus 12 is... something's gone wrong. Oh, minus, subtract. Negative 12 makes 13, of course. 1 minus 12 makes 13. Then we multiply. 2 13s, 26. We've finished. The answer is, these are the coefficients for the quotient. These are the coefficients for the quotient. Our quotient will be 1x squared minus 6x plus 13. Okay, that will be our quotient. And we didn't do this last subtraction. 6 minus 26 is minus 20. There's our remainder. And minus 20 remainder. Need to take you through that again. It's multiply, subtract. Coefficients. 1 minus 4, 1 and 6. Bring down the first one. Multiply. 2 1s are 2. Subtract. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. Multiply. Negative 12. Subtract. 1 minus 12 is 13. Multiply. 2 13s are 26. Subtract. 6 minus 6. 26 is minus 20. Finished. They're the coefficients for the quotient. That's the remainder. There's the answer. It's the same. It's the same. Okay, I'm going to end that video. You might want to take some notes. That's 3 methods: long division, inspection, and synthetic. I suggest you learn long division and then practice some with synthetic. I'll do another couple of examples of synthetic later, and there are some on the OneNote.